Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the Google Pixel 9a. Alright, so let's begin. So let's open up our settings first. And now we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the backup or copy data. My bad, sorry. And now we need to click on backup data. The second option is used for receiving data from another device. You can also read it right in here. But we want to have a backup, so click on backup data. And now we have the account storage and the free space on it. And below the account storage, we can also see our Google account that we are currently logged in. And it's crucial to remember that Google account, because in the future when we will want to restore our backup from the account storage from the Google one, we need to log in into the same account, so we can forget it and we can forget password to it. Alright, also make sure that backup by Google one is enabled right in here, and below we have also backup details. You can also see the advanced settings. You can enable backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data. It is up to you. Okay, but now click on backup now. Now I need to confirm using my lock screen. Alright, and now under the backup we can see this thin blue bar, and it started to fulfill. And when it comes to the opposite edge, our backup will be made, and we will also see the information on the bottom of the screen. So now let's just wait until the backup is finished. Okay, and now on the bottom of the screen we can see that our data is backed. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.